Let me show you the latest magnetic gun mount from Stinger. Now, they sent this to me. I have their other previous design, which is absolutely incredible, and I love it to pieces, but this is a new one that they sent me to try, and this one is really cool. Let me show you how this works. So this is intended to mount up against a flat area. Let's say it's the tunnel in your truck where your shifter is, up against where your right leg would be. You could put it there. You could put it inside your toolbox, which is where I intend to install mine. On the top of my toolbox, when I get to my shop at work, I'm just going to be able to have this mounted up top, and the gun's going to go in here. Now, in this area here is super, super strong magnets, which is going to hold your gun in place. So you're going to mount your gun in this way. Unfortunately, I can't show you due to video requirements and things like that. So if you mount your gun in this way, now when you go to remove it and you go to grab it, this is what makes this unique, is this tip out design. So as you have your gun, you tip it out, you pull it, and you're good to go for the day. But just a great design of this. It's got a hidden hinge at the bottom. It's got these super, super strong magnets, all the hardware that's going to be required for installing this. What you want to do first is take off this backer from this double-sided tape. That's to temporarily hold it in place while you mark your screw holes and drill them, and then screw it. You don't want to just apply it with that double-sided tape because they've provided you all the screws that you need. But just an incredible design, especially with this hinge. It covers up the trigger guard nicely so you don't have to worry about anything impeding that trigger. It also has a spacer. So if for some reason you needed to space it out against that flat area that you're mounting it to, that spacer is there for that. So it's great that they provided that as well. All Stinger's products are super awesome. They're just really well made. They're made in the US. This one is from Houston, Texas, in fact. So just a really cool design. If you're looking for a great magnetic gun mount, you cannot go wrong with these Stingers, and they're not going to break the bank.